So right there on the other side of the pool is pomegranate. There's a passion fruit vine in that barrel. That's passion fruit. I have orange. Up on the top, I have my chickens. Up on the top, there's blackberry. I think golden raspberry. I have zucchini up there. That's a pluot. Or no, sorry, not pluot. Abrium tree. There's grapevines behind that. There's some other patty pounds and cherry tomatoes up there. I have a little lemon tree that's struggling. That's a peach. That one I don't even remember what that one is. It's dying, whatever it is. There's an olive tree, and then back in the corner over there under the shade cloth, there's also another peach.